Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the Frame TV, the Samsung TV, without a remote control. Lots of TVs do have a little power button somewhere on them. The Frame TV doesn't. So if you've lost your remote control or mislaid it, then you're going to have to use your phone. So if you go over to the phone and if you go to your SmartThings app, then you'll find that on that app there will be an option to use a remote control. So you need to click on your TV that you want to control. And can you see now we have a little remote control down here, and it actually says turn on the TV. So I'm going to tap that and now the TV will turn on. It's going to be less responsive than if you actually had a remote control, but you can still use it. You can see that's art mode there. If I tap the power button again, it's going to go over to TV mode and then tap it again, back to art mode. And if I want to turn it off when I'm finished with it, obviously you can do all the other things. You can swipe up, you've got all your numbers and stuff down here. And then when I'm finished with it, you can hold down the power button and it says power, turn off the frame. And if I press OK, you will see that it is now turned off. So you can still use your TV with your phone. It's just not quite as good as using the actual remote control. Thanks for watching.